telling the records one headphone, one system, How many of you are without the system and without
the system?
Without the monitor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Signs of sounds. Right. What is the difference between a letter and a sound? What's the difference between a letter and a sound?
You need to move your tongue. A letter you need to move your tongue.
A letter you move your tongue, and sound you don't move your tongue.
You might need.
The difference is between what you write and what you speak. Understand? So if you can speak or write exactly the way you're doing the other. Suppose I say catch. Okay? What is the spelling I'm using? Now, how do I pronounce it? I pronounce it as. So, am I using the t sound anywhere? No. Then why did I write t there? That's the difference in English between writing and speaking. In the normal Indian languages, we don't have this difference at all. In Telugu and in Tamil or in Malayalam, I speak the way I write. I write the way I speak. There is no difference. In Telugu, suppose you say Amma. You write exactly Amma. There are no silent sounds, there are no silent letters. In English, we have a problem because if I write this one, how do I pronounce it? So my P is silent, CH is pronounced as K, G is not pronounced as G, it is pronounced as G. So there's so much of a confusion in English with regard to writing and with regard to speaking. In that sense, English is a very crazy language. Now through phonetics, what are we trying to do is, we would be actually learning how to speak and how to write exactly the way you speak. For that, what do we do now is, we would be using all these symbols that we have been learning. So what are these symbols that you would be learning? You would be learning all the vowels and all the consonants. Right. For a quick recap, how many sounds do we have? 24. How many are vowels? 20. How many are consonant sounds? 24. How do I represent a sound? Slant lines. Sound is always presented within slant lines. What sound is this? What letter is this? P. Fine. Now let's list the sounds quickly. Can I have all the consonants quickly? This is not J. This is the sound G. Now this. Let's list this one. This is the sound Ch, and this is the sound J. Ch as in church, J as in judge. Right? Then you have your nasals. Sound M, N, and Can I have sounds here? M as in mother, N as in nest, N as in king. Very good. Then what is this sound? What is this sound? No. This is the sound th. This is the sound th. As in What sound is this? This is the sound d. As in then, these, those. What sound is this? Sound. This one. So how do you pronounce this particular word to me now? Do we say zero? Zero. How do we pronounce this one? Not Jew. It is not Jew. It is never a Jew. Please remember that. It is a zero and a zoo. Fine. What sound are we talking about here? The sound sh. As in ship or shoe. This sound Remember the sound which I gave you? It's a sound picked up from a French language. What sound is this? As in a word like leisure or mirage, garage, pleasure, measure. And then what sound is this? As in hat. Law as in land. Raw as in rat or red. You pronounce it? What words do we get this? Watch. Where? Water. You don't say water. It's not water because if you're saying water, then you've used this verb please. It's water. Water. And if you find somebody saying that, please correct that. It's water. Who, which, what, where, when, who, whose, why. All these are with this semi-vowel. Got them? These are your consonant sounds. Now let's have a quick recap on the vowel sounds and then you can continue. Okay, now let's see the vowels. Do you know the vowel sounds? No? As in a word like sit. E. Fine? The second sound is E.
G.
As in C. It is E. Just like you have it in Telugu and Hindi. E. Then the third sound is A. Simple A. As in a word like set. A word like sat. It has got no equivalent in Telugu and Hindi. Fine? Okay, now pronounce this again. E. Fine. Kaushik, please be with me. Next four sounds. Inverted V, pronounced up, as in car. Okay, this is the sound, pure R sound. R, as in a word like but. When I say but, it is b, t, but. Fine? Okay with me? Yes. The next sound is, can you guess what this is? As in a sound like cart. When I say this, I say car. When I say this, I say card. So the R and the R, just elongated sounds. The third sound then in this category is 3 with 2 dots. This is a sound pronounced as This is as in a word like bird, curd, surds. Okay? Bird is very easy. Now you don't say bud, you don't say bird, you say bird. So the elongated is this. A very important sound in English is like this. This is called the small